Because if people
Listen,
go ahead
for
and go
example,
ahead.
one of the units, when she was installing new windows, I can recall we advised, Margaret advised the contractor, hey, why are you installing windows in a facade that we're going to remove? What they say is when they come to install windows, they're getting paid, they have a contract or whatever it is, and I think whoever the unit owner is, I don't want to call her name, she got funding from some funding source that when the contractor comes, he has to install all the windows in order for him to get paid.
Right.
He could not do half and leave the other half undone because he would not be paid. So this is some of the issues that create this type of thing. The outside contractor comes, he has to install all in order that he get paid. He will not agree to leave the others down, that when we do the walls, because he won't get paid.
Larry, it's very simple. Ostro's response, those new windows, Ostro is removing them and putting them back.
Yes.
So what's
It's
on? No.
Are they
It's,
attorney?
no,
I don't
it's
think
in the
so.
contract.
I don't think so. I
No,
think
no, hang on, it's in the contract. The ones that are approved by the engineer,
I know they were installing
which
them,
are,
I never heard them
they
charging
did,
anyone.
I think, 5 of the upper
Oh.
windows, they reinstalled 5
They
of
will
the
reinstall
upper
it. They
windows.
will reinstall it once it's a new window. So I don't see any issue.
No, I'm just saying the issue is some people that already got the new windows.
Yeah.
Like, 'cause some people, yeah, they got the upper windows. I'm not talking about.
Yes, somebody
Yeah, about the
got
upper
the
windows. I'm talking about the
windows.
bottom windows.
So
Yeah,
lower-
that hardcore.
Yeah, they
Because
will
it-
reinstall.
Yeah, because I mean, I just seeing around here, I saw a couple of unit owners that went ahead and just changed all the windows.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
When the
Yeah,
time
they
comes,
will.
we're not.
You got to take it right back, they had to cut it back out.
Right,
right
so
back
when,
there.
when it's time to do the structure, also remove and replace, and then that way was going on to a new opening, stronger, and with the proper up to code stuff, so.
But that's why when we were walking around and we were noticing all these deficiencies, we said, instead of waiting till the last minute, we need to start preparing people from now.
Right.
Doing it the right way this time around.
Yes.
Well, if it hasn't been done the right way from the beginning, then there's a problem.
Move it, Sean.
No, we're not
Because
doing
you twist stuff. Go back.
Very strict
Because-
from the beginning.
Listen, Sean, just like we saying, with you not allowing anybody to come in your backyard, right?
Not till this gets investigated.
Okay, so then it's noted by the engineers that
And
we
the
are
banks.
not allowed, I don't care none about that.
Actually, you can look at it right here. You
I-
should have got that too.
But what I'm saying, Sean, is that as on the report, it would say no entry.
Of course.
Period. To, out of all the inspections that we've done, we have no entry. Everything has been boarded up. We can't get in your backyard. We're not going into your backyard because you never gave permission.
Correct.
So it
Too many
is,
of my rights have been violated so far.
okay, so for now, we're just gonna put you on the side for now.
Oh
So,
my God, mystery, okay, continue,
So
please.
therefore, the status and supply of our windows, a decision needs to be made on that.
Well, how is this board going to know if we don't have,
Okay,
well, how many sizes, how many windows?
Wait, what? I don't see that.
Because at the end of the day, those unit owners, you can't change the window without the unit owner's permission, because they may want to go through somebody else. So, when you tell us, Patty, we'd like to have, in order to get the facade moving along, we need to, maybe you have a building that has, 2 out of the 4 units have new windows. We need to know, first of all, the schedule of that. Also, I want to bring your attention, I brought it to all your attention, is we have a building tenting schedule. So you have to, which starts August 6th. And beach is booked every Wednesday, every week through September, okay? So Ostro, you need to orchestrate with Ostro on that coordination of which buildings you're gonna do with the tenting schedule, because they're going before you, okay?
Because if you notice, the last item is the schedule from Austria, so it's a good thing you mentioned that, so we can.
What do you say, because they're gonna attend all the